From the time I have started guiding all my juniors, this is the constant message that I usually got before your colleges started. And that time also I told you that wait until your college start, then I will guide you about how to prepare for NEET PG in first year. So now today is that video in which in the episode 2 of the NEET PG guidance series, we will talk about how you should prepare if you are a first year MBBS student. We have already covered it when you should start coaching for NEET PG preparation. So now let's start. If you have any questions, you can comment below or ask on the Instagram my page. Now before we start with the video, this is thing that I want you to know, that right now if you are watching this video, your colleges have started, you must be facing some problems, either some problems related to how to study, how to balance your college life. You know, there are certain senior junior interactions which takes time, so you need to give time to the things which are they're necessary at your level, है ना? So all those things will make you feel that it is very difficult to prepare for NEET PG or study in the sense right from the first year. But let me tell you first thing, that you are not preparing for NEET PG from your first year. You are just making your subject stronger. That's it. You are not doing anything else. If there is anatomy, you have to master anatomy. So how you will master it? You will basically study what's taught in your college, and if you wish for further, then you will opt for your PG coaching. So all of these things requires balance in life. There is nothing like that you need to study entire day or you need to chill entire day. There is all these things are related to balance, and you have to create that balance for yourself, and that balance will take time. But right now let me make things easy for you. Let me guide you that how you should prepare for first year. Now this is a normal pathway which I have made for you. Now this, let me assume this is your normal day, and now I am telling you how should your day go like if you are willful to prepare for NEET PG next right from your first day. Okay, so now suppose you have college class from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. This is very large time. Usually students have 9 to 4, but I have taken till 8 to 5. Okay, so now you need not to worry in this time. You have to just relax, attend your classes wisely. Whatever is taught, study it very well, है ना? Be attentive in dissection and do some stuff. You will sleep in the classes, I know it very well, but if you can listen at least 50% of what is taught, it is more than sufficient. So okay, now you have attended classes, you are very much tired. I understand that you can't study right now. You will just relax, you will come home, you will get some sleep, you will go without your friends, you will sit with your seniors. Now what you have to do on the same day or the next day, whenever you get time, the topic which was taught, just read it from the book, discuss it with your friends. Now what happens if you are attending any coaching, जैसे I have told you in previous video, if you attend DAMS live classes, this is what I have done in my second year. Okay, so now if you attend such classes, what you need to know is that notes वहीं बन जाएंगे. Okay, whenever you will attend DAMS live classes or any classes, they will make you write notes there itself. Okay, so these will be very lightweight, like once or twice in a week, है ना? And that much is affordable. So now you will attend that, you will make notes there. So from that point, for your NEET PG preparation or for your MCQ solving skills, you need not to worry about notes. Now your notes have been made, you have understand the concepts there. Now whenever you are reading the book for the topic which was taught in your college, you have to just read the book free-minded. Just read from the book, study from the book, highlight from the book, as I have already told in my videos. Do not worry of making notes from the book, because that note making will be just for your concept building. If you want to make it, it's fine, but don't worry from that point for your NEET PG preparation. Okay, so read the topic taught in the college from your book, discuss it with your friends, makes notes. So now this is all which is making sense, that suppose you are okay, very much tired, you can't schedule yourself, you know that there is some class in this week of DAMS or any other coaching whichever you take. So now you will attend that class, you will make notes, you have that complete topic done. Okay, now what you will do is whenever you get time on Sunday, suppose Sunday is free day, you will go to movie with your friends, then also you will left with some amount of time. So now you can revise your notes of the entire week, solve MCQs. Now you will have a good portion of notes solved, so notes learned, so you can solve MCQs relative to it from the DAMS question bank or whichever coaching you have opted, or review books. Okay, that is not a matter. So now you will try to solve MCQs. So now if you are studying for the same time as another student, but you will be more organized. Now let's see more about how to study the subjects. This is a general ideal manner. This cannot be followed 365 days. You need not to follow it 365 days. You are just a first year medical student. You need not to worry so much about NEET PG preparation from day one. What you should be knowing is you should master the subject. That's it. So now let's see what to do in subject. Okay, now each subject will be taught to you by the relevant faculties in the coaching whichever you join. Like I personally joined DAMS and I would recommend you that. So now if anatomy I say about, so in anatomy there are some points which are different in your theory exams. Like in theory exams there are so many relations which you need to mug up. Okay, that what is the relation of this organ with respect to other organs, and that has been asked in theory exam, but in MCQ not much is asked related to that point. Okay, what you need to do is whenever you study Vishram Singh, BD Chaurasia, or DAMS have something known as CRS. At my times there was CRS which had some great clinical cases. Okay, so focus more on clinical boxes because you guys will be having next PG which will be more clinical and integrated to surgery. You won't be having core anatomy. Okay, now whenever image based questions are asked in NEET PG preparation, you usually get them from Atlas or some standard textbook. So focus for studying diagrams from there. And now whenever you will see the things that there is so much text in your college textbooks, as well as so much things might be taught in your college, but MCQs won't be there of that topic, because in MCQs certain topics are different or certain topics aren't as deep as others. Okay, you need to integrate the things. So this will all will be understood by you later on the half, and your faculty will take care of that point. Now in physiology again I would say you that pure physiology is less asked. Okay, but physiology is very important. I think it is by far the most important subject of first year, because it will work very beneficial for you in pathology and pharmacology as well as medicine. Okay, so now study the subject and concepts as best as you can. Pure physiology won't be asked more, or in your PG preparation if you go to coaching there won't be so many classes of physiology. But what is more important is to understand the concept, because physiology is very important with respect to understanding. Okay, now in this also there are many units. Okay, so a particular mention is of CNS. What is basically the scene here is that CNS has a lot of clinical questions, as well as the questions are comparatively on a higher level, because the concepts are not your simple concepts are much integrated and much of lesion, pathology, injury. So for that you need to build your concept very well, practice very well, and focus on building concepts rather than mugging up them or thinking that it is a very small subject or general subject. No, it is not. It is a very vital subject for you all. Then coming to biochemistry. So biochemistry is the most streamlined subject with respect to PG and profs, which I guess. Okay, because in biochemistry if you study in your college or if you study in your coaching, there will be slightly difference. Okay, because content is more or less same. Biochemistry ज़्यादा पचने की चीज़ नहीं है, आपको साइकिल याद करनी है तो करनी है. ओके, सो फॉर दिस यू नीड टू अगेन ड्रॉ चार्ट्स फॉर ऑल द डिसीजेज. आई हैव ऑलरेडी टोल्ड इन माई वीडियोज ऑन हाउ टू स्टडी बायोकेम. So there you have to make a table in which you will write all the disease, enzyme deficient and clinical features. So now again there will be some variations. Some topics will be important in PG aspect and not asked in your theory exam, but you need to mark those up very well. Your teacher will teach you, you need to study them very well. So this is all that I want you to know. Now this is the final statement, as I have already told you, that focus very well on studying, solving standard textbook, attend or study from the live classes, do MCQs at least once a week, है ना? And then you will understand that how to read a subject. Our aim is not NEET PG but to master a subject. So this is all in short. What are the crisp points? Just if you attend your any classes or any app, whichever you wish, so now you will have to balance it with your classes. You need to balance it with your senior junior interaction. You need to balance it with your life, but you need to stay calm and you need to just study for a particular subject. Do watch the other videos on how to read individual subjects. Till then, thank you. If you have any other doubts, you can comment below or DM me on Instagram. I would be very happy to help. Thank you so much. Stay safe, stay healthy.